Salam. Today we will be studying Class 11 Statistics Chapter 1 1.2. According to PTB syllabus, let's get started. Here, we need to know about the importance of statistics. Statistics has applications in almost all fields of research. The researchers use statistics in analysis, interpretation, and communication of their research findings. For example, social science, plant science, physical science, and medical science. Now let's thoroughly go through the importance of statistics in each field. Statistics in social sciences help researchers collect, analyze, and interpret data to understand human behavior, society, and relationships. It turns raw information into meaningful conclusions for decision-making and solving social problems. Statistics in plant sciences helps analyze data from experiments to understand plant growth, yield, and responses to different conditions. It guides researchers in making accurate conclusions and improving agricultural practices. Statistics in physical sciences helps measure, analyze, and interpret experimental data to understand physical laws and natural phenomena. Statistics in medical sciences helps analyze patient and clinical data to improve diagnosis, treatment, and healthcare decisions. It ensures accurate research findings and supports medical advancements. Now remember, this may be important for MCQs. When statistics is applied in economics, it is called econometrics. When statistics is applied in biological sciences, it is called biometry. When statistics is applied in psychology, it is called psychometry. I hope you liked today's lecture. Don't forget to subscribe.